Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous class, I had given you the textbook exercises. Today's class, I will give you the classwork note. So, in this note, you have to write in single line 100 pages book. So, one single line 100 page for classwork, another one for homework, and another total three books you have to maintain for English. One is classwork, second one homework, and another third one for English grammar. So in first page you have to write cursive capital and small letters one time. Capital letter one time, small letter one time. After that you have to start to write the lesson note. So lesson name, lesson number, date, you have to maintain properly and follow the video how I written that book. You have to maintain like that only in your classwork note. So handwriting should be neat, children, because this year 5th standard you have to write with pen. So be careful about handwriting and don't be scribble, means you should not cut and write. Slowly, neatly have to write the handwriting for notes. So let's start the lesson. First you have to write the subject. Don't want, sorry. Lesson number, first line you have to write lesson number 1. Next line, leave one line, the perfect portrait, lesson name. After leave one line, write first main, new words. See how I written one in each line, three words. You have to write same, 2 finger gap. One word after 2 finger gap, you have to write the next word. So number 1, worried, WORRIED, worried. Second one, humble, HUMBLE, humble. Third one, merchant, MERCHANT, merchant. Fourth one, ruin, RUIN, ruin. Fifth, inquired, ENQUIRED, inquired. Sixth, reputation, REPUTATION, reputation. Seventh one, bird, BEARD, bird. Eighth, approach, APPROACHED, approached. Ninth one, rubbish, RUBBISH, rubbish. 10th, screamed, SCREAMED, screamed. 11th, conversation, CONVERSATION, conversation. 12th, depict, DEPICT, depict. 13th, mockingly, MOCKINGLY, mockingly. 14, evil, EVIL, evil. Last one, ashamed, ASHAMED, ashamed. So in each line 3 words you have to write. In each line 3 words means total 15. Don't write single one line like that only. You have to cover the full page. So 15 words like that how I written same. Otherwise I will not do the correction. I will give to write again to you. Second main, answer the following questions. Why was the artist worried? The artist worried because a powerful merchant was going to ruin his reputation and all the goodwill which he have earned till now. I repeat once. The artist was worried because a powerful merchant was going to ruin his reputation and all the goodwill which he have earned till now. Full stop. Question number 2. Why did the merchant refuse to accept the second portrait? The merchant refused to accept the second portrait because the merchant said that this couldn't be his picture, shows him with a mustache, whereas he doesn't have one. I repeat once this answer. The merchant refused to accept the second portrait because the merchant said that this couldn't be his picture, shows him with a mustache, whereas he doesn't have one. Third one, what was the merchant's motive behind rejecting all the artist portrait? Answer, the merchant's motive was evil and that he wanted to let him down. I repeat once, the merchant's motive was evil and that he wanted to let him down. Number 4. Why did the merchant think that the artist had fallen for his trick? The merchant thought that the artist had fallen for his trick because when the artist humbly replied, "Sir, I am sure what I have brought today would surely match for your face. It doesn't, I would never come back to you and definitely not ask any money from you." I repeat once this answer. The merchant thought that the artist had fallen for his trick because when the artist humbly replied, "Sir, I am sure what I have brought today would surely match for your face. It doesn't, I would never come back to you and definitely not ask any money from you." So these 4 questions are given you children. See, next month you have FA1 test. So simply don't waste your time at home now. You have to write the all subjects notes and watch the videos properly what teachers teaching in your class and try to write these answers. Learn and write the answers in your home rough note, because next month you have the FA1 test. So children, be ready, write neatly and keep in home and read. So bye children.